Welcome to our YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB NTPC. India United Nation UNO member of which year? Your right answer is 1945. Option C is your correct answer. Taj Mahal was constructed in memory of Dash. Your right answer is Mumtaz. Option C is your correct answer. How did the Reserve Bank of India start operation? Your right answer is 1935. Option D is your correct answer. M.F. Hussain is famous in the area of Dash. Your right answer is painting. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following sports do not require a stick? Your right answer is trampoline. Option A is your correct answer. Most cells are divided for growth. The process of division of cells is called as. Your right answer is mistake. Option A is your correct answer. Who is the author of Ramacharit Manas? Your right answer is Tulsidas. Option A is your correct answer. The product of mass and velocity of an object is called as. Your right answer is momentum. P is equal to mv. Option C is your correct answer. According to the 2011 census, which of the following state had the highest literacy rate? Your right answer is Kerala. Option B is your correct answer. For what reason has Chandigarh been declared a union territory? Your right answer is political and administrative importance. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following is called nucleon? Your right answer is proton and neutron. Option B is your correct answer. The city of Vienna is located on the bank of Dash. Your right answer is Danube. Option B is your correct answer. Who is appointed for the discharge of his post in that state when the post of the governor of a state dies during his tenure? Your right answer is Chief Justice of High Court of the respective state. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the organization is published by the Statistical Brochure of Indian Economy? Your right answer is Reserve Bank of India. Option B is your correct answer. The sound of a single frequency is called as. Your right answer is tone. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following is not a biodegradable substance? Your right answer is tin. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following countries is not part of Asian Games? Your right answer is Egypt. Option D is your correct answer. An odd mixture in which the solute particles are not decomposed but remain suspended throughout the medium, they are called as. Your right answer is suspension. Option C is your correct answer. The form of Lord Shiva formed by the combination of male and female bodies is called. Your right answer is Ardhanarishwar. Option C is your correct answer. The constitution of Jammu and Kashmir came into force from Dash. Your right answer is January 26, 1957. Option A is your correct answer. Special provision relating to Delhi have been given under which article of the Constitution? Your right answer is Article 239. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following is related to wrestling? Your right answer is Vanish Fogart. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following is the first crop to officially register the effective progress of green revolution in agriculture in 1968? Your right answer is wheat. Option D is your correct answer. Lakshadweep Union Territory, which of the following comes under the jurisdiction of the High Court? Your right answer is Kerala High Court. Option D is your correct answer. Mount Everest is located. Your right answer is in the Great Himalayan region. Option C is your correct answer. Financial loss means. Your right answer is all of the above are correct. Option D is your correct. External remedies, external debt, currency printing. All of the above are correct. Which of the following literature is related to grammar and poetry? Your right answer is Tolkopaimam. Option C is your correct answer. Desert is found in which of the following state? Your right answer is Rajasthan. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following state is a traditional painting art? Your right answer is Odisha. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following is related to Vedic text craft or wealth science? Your right answer is craft. Option C is your correct answer. 49 latitude north is an international borderline between dash. Your right answer is United States and Canada. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following is a part of the Australian mountain range? Your right answer is North America. Option C is your correct answer. How long does the sun's light takes from the sun to the earth? Your right answer is 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Option D is your correct answer. Or 8 minutes 16 seconds also correct answer. Who is the Chancellor of State Universities? Your right answer is State Governor. Option B is your correct answer. Which of the following is the tributary of river Godavari? Your right answer is Sabari. Option A is your correct answer. Where was the first Jaina Council organized? Your right answer is Pataliputra. Option B is your correct answer. Where is Angkor Wat temple located? Your right answer is Cambodia. Option C is your correct answer. Play the game in spirit of the game was the motto of dash from the following. Your right answer is First Asian Games. Option B is your correct answer. Iron ore is supplied primarily to the steel plant which is supplied by Delhi Rajar Mines. Your right answer is Bhilai Steel Factory. Option C is your correct answer. Equipment used in table tennis shows pedal. Your right answer is bat. Option D is your correct answer. What is the number of chromosomes present in human gametes, egg or sperm? Your right answer is a set of chromosomes. Option A is your correct answer. According to the rule of supply, when the value of the product decreases, the quantity of supply, your right answer is also decreases. Option C is your correct answer. What is the strength of normal respiration in humans? Your right answer is 10 decibel. Option A is your correct answer. Kabaddi was included in the games held in Dhaka, Bangladesh by South Asian Sports Association. Your right answer is 1984. Option A is your correct answer. Bangladesh, its capital Dhaka, its currency Taka. Which of the following state is not located on the bank of the Arabian Sea? Your right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Option D is your correct answer. Who has the special responsibility of the administration in scheduled area? Your right answer is Governor. Option C is your correct answer. In which area do you have right to make laws in Delhi? Your right answer is health. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following is the disease caused by bacteria? Your right answer is typhoid. Option D is your correct answer. Accession agreement between India and Jammu and Kashmir state was signed in dash. Your right answer is Sunday 26 October 1947. Option A is your correct answer. This is our last questions of today class, question of 50. Who fought the war of Turmeric Valley against the Mughals? Your right answer is Maharana Pratap. Option A is your correct answer. I hope you like these sections. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get sure success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat. Jai Hind.